Hello, my name is Karen Juliana Lopez Polo. The best of the Matthew. A it's kid on the table lower foundation and on the table liquid foundation and that blur and power uh, imperfection for 24 and power, see, and power bow and macros, 16 macron system, all power B and macron assisting that click through to skin fitness and the pretty is the $43 and all the item I will school you are sold in my favorite and Macu store. Macu forever. And, and ultrasound that the Macu brought for perfect more I perfectly with the foundation finish in the perfect route for for unplugged Watertown skid perfection did order water-based foundations, also different uses and prices from 30 to $50. Um, uh, croaking wheel or promacuum artist is this multi uh, multi-uses face palette with the function which is the function and more the blood sharp mm, the blood shades in can use the uses alone or together to create and the looks and price is 83 dollar who's the who's the who's the dollar who's the one because there are different colors presentation and prices prices siguiente. Smoking Lamp Extra Black Máscara de For Volumen. De For Volumen LED and cool and eatings and eating the pigment. The teacher the specific on especially the one is the most expectative in the store $25. Aquí artists artist ruso de Max, the Max, como esto, Max has, pick the formula, the forest through the coverance and spectacular, the 10 all, the were instrumental de Tessen Newton performance on 20 the witness and are in una $15 or more depending on el color favorite. Thank you.